In front of me is Doogee tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on the Notifications right away. Now select App Notifications here. And if you don't know, you can tap on Most Recent under App Notifications and sort your apps to the ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your tablet, or only apps with notifications already disabled. Wherever you decided when you're ready, use blue switches to disable notifications from chosen apps, or gray ones to switch them back on. Most people miss that you can also click on any app on the left and not only block notifications here, but also manage all of those alert options only for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!